예뻐. 예쁘다. 안 기모띠.
These days, there's been a wave of VR cafes opening up around Korea. A VR cafe is an arcade with a focus on virtual reality games. And they're a great place to hang out with friends and play some games. Today I'm with my friend Jin Young.
영상인데
There were so many kinds of games.
안 나오려고 숨고 있는데.
First I tried a horror game, which felt pretty realistic.
고양이 같아 고양이.
아니 무슨 애기 있었어.
And Jin Young tried the first-person shooter. There are also driving games and other motion games. I had no idea what this one was, some kind of bungee, but Jin Young had fun.
엄청 크게 소리 지른 거 알지?
아니야.
사람도 보고 있더라고.
나 보고?
Before leaving, I thought I'd try another horror game. This one was inside of a Jeep and you're being chased by ghosts. Some of the VR games felt a bit more real than others. Now, VR cafes are expensive, so stick to a regular arcade if you're short on cash. I spent over $40 just for a couple of hours. But it was worth the experience and we had a lot of fun.
그럼 다음에 또 봐.
둘, 셋. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.